children, welcome to DAV online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the second part of reaching the age of adolescent. Here we are going to discuss about sex determination, addiction towards drugs and mental health. So here first we are going to discuss about sex determination in a new fetus, how to determine the baby sex. Here we have chromosomes. Inside the fertilized egg or zygote, in the instruction of determination of sex of baby, the instruction is present the thread-like structures called chromosomes. These chromosomes are present inside of nucleus of every cell. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. In these 22 pairs of allosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes are there. So 2 chromosomes about 23 pairs, chromosomes about sex chromosomes. They named as X and Y, whereas females having 2 sex X chromosomes and males having X and Y chromosomes, which determine the sex of new fetus. So the gametes, it's about egg and sperms, have only one set of chromosomes, that is egg and sperms. The fertilized egg always have X chromosomes and they determine the baby sex. Hormones other than sex hormones. The hormone secreted by the pituitary gland stimulates testes and ovaries to produce their hormones. The pituitary gland is attached at the brain. The platform of pituitary glands will carry forward again 9 different kinds of hormones together. It is a master gland. Sex determination in human. Here Y of male which mix with X of X, then it will give a baby girl. Boys having sperms contributes Y chromosomes to the egg are fertilized. The zygote would develop into male child. When the sperm containing X chromosome fertilized egg, then the zygote have 2 X chromosomes and develop into a female. So here we are going to discuss about adrenal glands and growth hormones. The adrenal glands secreted hormones which maintain the correct salt balance in blood. Adrenal glands also produce hormones called adrenal, which is responsible for embarrassment and anger. Growth hormones are just about thyroid, and adrenal secretes their hormones when they received orders from pituitary through the hormones. Pituitary also secretes growth hormones. At this puberty age, we have right amount of height. Metamorphosis. The caterpillar has to pass through various stages become an adult moth. Just like that, the adult frog lays eggs and eggs grows into the tadpoles, and which divided into early and they develop into a tadpoles. The late tadpoles and grow the adult frogs. Like that, some larvae also an adult through drastic changes called metamorphosis, and it is same with the butterfly. Reproductive health. The physical and mental well-being of an individual is regards an individual's health. To keep the body healthy, and human beings need to have a balanced diet. The person must also observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercises. Make the person healthy and wealthy. This is essential for the growth of body. Nutritional is need of the adolescent age. Adolescence is the stage of rapid growth and development. The diet of adolescent has to be carefully planned. The diet must be the balanced diet. iron filled blood and iron rich foods such as leafy vegetables, then it will provide the good iron content. The meal, which includes proteins, carbs, and fats and vitamins, replicated properties, is known as balanced diet. Roti, dal, pulses, milk, vegetables, and fruits are is about balanced diet. Point to remember here, chips and packed or tin snacks, though very tasty, should never replace regular meals, so they do not having adequate nutritional values and they are considered as junk food, and this junk food leads to obesity. Personal hygienic is also very much important at this age. Everyone should have a bath of at least 2 times a day, and it is more necessary for the teenagers because it increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, and they will produce so much production of bacterial and fungal agents at the pubic areas. Special care for girls must be taken. Girls should take special care about cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. They should keep track of their menstrual cycle and be prepared for onset of menstruation. Physical exercises, walking, playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take walk exercise and play outdoor games, and physical exercise make our body flexible and healthy. Children, take care of one thing, say no to drugs. Adolescent is a period of much activity in the body and the mind, which is normal part of growing up. So, do not feel confused or insecure if anybody suggests you that you will get relief if you take some drugs. Just say no unless prescribed by the doctor. Adolescent health problems, you may get so many sorts of mental problems at the stage of adolescent because you are not mixed in the adult group and you are not allowed to the small children group, and you will get lots of confusion here. Physical injuries, alcoholism, drug abuses, and eating and sleeping disorders, reproductive health problems, post tumoric stress disorders, depression, anxiety, suicidal behavior, or self harm are commonly seen mental disorders right now. Defending yourself is more important for girls here, and the praise also give you attraction towards alcoholism and drugs. We have to humbly say no for these activities. We have to protect ourselves, and it is a defending process we must have to learn at this stage. Adolescent friendly health services. So, at this stage, it is more important to know the serving nature. We have to serve the elder people, we have to respect the elder people, and we have to give a good respect towards our parents and our teachers. We don't have to blame. So we have to think one second. Inhalation of death. When we are taking drugs and smoking, it is great injurious to our body, and alcohol consumption is also can cause dreadful diseases. When we are smoking tobacco, it will cause lung disorders. So we have to be aware to that, and we have to say no and not give your friends pleasure to adopt yourself towards alcohol consumption, cigarette consumption, and drug addiction. And at this stage, Sexual life is also one most attractive thing, but it is not at all a age we have to mature men and women. Next, we have to discuss about adolescent consequences in male. Early testicular growth, pubic testiculture and penile growth, nocturnal emissions, height velocity changes, marked voice changes, facial hair growth, that is mustache and beard, finally pubertal changes. Some changes in girls, adolescent changes in female, breast birth, pubic hair development, pubic hair, height velocity peak, maniac, and facial pupil changes. These are the main symptoms of puberty. We have to refuse. Points to remember. Some definitions. Puberty, physical characters that occurs during adolescence. The growth spurt, rapid change in height and weight during puberty. Primary sex characteristics, the change that mark the being of puberty of girls and boys. Secondary sexual characters, other characters that we are getting make at adolescent look like. So, menstrual cycle, and after 45 years, menopause syndromes also commonly seen in females. So, this is about the adolescent puberty changes in male and female. I hope you understand, children. We will meet with next module. Until then, keep learning, keep getting knowledge. Thank you, children.